I'm enjoying the pitter-patter of the rain with my Gud Wali chai in my hand. Welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. And here's the recipe for my famous Gud Wali chai. I hope you enjoy it. Adding 3/4 cup of water. To this I'm adding fresh green tea or hari chai, some fresh mint leaves, freshly pounded ginger and tea leaves. I'll wait for this to come to a boil for about 2-3 minutes. Once my tea mix has come to a boil, I'm going to add in some milk and simmer this for a few minutes. The tea is boiled. I'm just adding some jaggery powder to my cup. And I strain my tea into this. If you like your tea a little stronger, you could add more tea leaves. And if you like it more milky, you can increase the quantity of the milk. Give it a good stir till your jaggery is dissolved in the hot tea.